Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add ChatGPT to Excel. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, open Excel on your computer. Okay, after opening it, go over here on Home tab, click on it. Now, click on right side on this icon add-ons. You can see, click on it. Now, here, tap in the search bar ChatGPT. Okay, here's ChatGPT, ChatGPT for Excel. Click on Add. Again, click on Add-ons. Okay, just click over here on AI Newbie and type whatever you want it to do. For example, analyze my data. Please choose cells and type what to do with selected data. So that's it. That's how you can add ChatGPT to your Excel. Thanks for watching.